Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own jewelry cards. So for one, you're going to need a computer, an image of your choice, and a printer. So right here, I'm just showing you the image that I'm going to be starting with. And for video sakes, I just ended up doing this off camera and then undoing everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and just hit paste. I know I said copy and paste, but I meant to say redo since I undid everything. So here I'm just making sure I line everything up because I do want them to be semi-even. The finished product isn't all even because of the technique and method I used in the end. Alright, so right here, all I'm doing is making sure everything is as even and asymmetrical as possible. Then I'm going to go to the edit tab and go all the way down and hit print. And for this first one, this is just going to be my tester. I want to make sure I have it where I want it. So don't judge me, but a couple of them came out backwards and I just ended up rolling with it because I do like to have options. So you can use the glossy side and then the back side, which isn't glossy, and they both turn out to look good. You can go ahead and save your images at this point if it's to your liking. I didn't end up saving mine because I do have several other ones that I did do off camera. So right here, I'm just gonna close it out and open one of those, which are smaller ones, and then a couple larger images as well. All right, so once you've done all those steps, this is your finished product. And just for time's sake, I did end up putting the second half of this video in another video. All right, this is the finished product. If you would like to see how I got to this step, don't forget to check out my next video.